This is going to be a video tutorial on how to add a watermark in Google Docs. I'll be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Google Docs here. Okay, I have a little example project opened here in Google Docs. To add a watermark to your project, first thing you want to do is go up to the Insert tab. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Watermark and click on that. Now in the pane off to the right hand side, it gives you some options. It gives you the option to add an image watermark or a text watermark. To add a text watermark, I'm going to click on this. You would type in your text in this box right here. You can format your text, the font style and size. You can adjust the transparency, and then you would click on Done. I'm going to add an image watermark. I'm going to click on Image. I'm going to click on Select Image. I have my image on my computer. In the dialog box that opens, I'm going to click on Browse. I'm going to find the image on my computer. My image is right here. I'm going to click on it. Then I'm going to click on Open. It'll take it a few seconds. And there is my watermark right there. In the pane off to the right hand side, you can do some additional formatting. You can scale it to different sizes. 50%. By default it's 100%. You could scale it to 150, 200, 500%. I'm going to leave it on 100%. And then you want to make sure that this box here, Faded, is checked, because otherwise your image will be pretty bright. I'm going to leave it faded, and then you just click on Done. Now to remove the watermark, you just follow basically the same steps. You would go up to the Insert tab, click on that. You would go down to Watermark, click on that. And then in the pane that opens up on the right hand side at the very bottom, you would see Remove Watermark. You click on that to remove it. That is how you insert a watermark in Google Docs. Thanks for watching.